Alright, welcome to Scarlett and Natalia ToysReview. We got a wonderful cereal here called Polar Puffs. Polar Puffs. Natalia's gonna have some Polar Puffs. Are you looking forward to the Polar Puffs? Yum, yum, yum. Alright, Daddy's gonna go and get some milk for you. Okay, let's get some milk. Alright. Here we go. Let's have a look here. Here's the Polar Puffs. This is what the cereal looks like. Alright. It is a natural cereal. Alright. Now, here is the milk. We got the milk. We got the milk. Here is the milk. Here is the milk. Here comes the milk. Here comes the milk. Alright.
I need a spoon.
Do you need a spoon now? Alright, we now need a spoon. Okay, we got a couple airplane spoons.
I want this one.
Airplane!
No, put that one away.
Alright. Okay guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Say bye guys. Bye.
Oh no.